Welcome to the Koddex interface. In this video, I'll walk you through the user interface and will show you how to create your first items. On the left panel, you'll find your organization's information. This is where all your items and models are organized, neatly structured like a tree. You'll only see the items you have permission to access. As you can see here, I selected the root folder of my organization. On the right side, you can see the content of that folder. We have structured our organization in various folders: sales, corporate, products, etc. Let's browse our organization tree on the left panel. For the purpose of the presentation, I created a folder Demo and a subfolder Bike. Notice the icons. Green icons show items, the place where your information will be stored. Purple icons show models, the templates or blueprints items follow. And gray folder icons are just for grouping things together. Now let's look at an item more in details. Let's click on City Bike. In this view, you'll see the item's name, City Bike, its unique ID, some overall information like which model it follows and who can access it, and then the main content of the item itself. But before we go further with the contents, let's focus on the model this item refers to. Every item is based on a model. The model is like a template. You can reach the model by clicking the purple button at the top here, in this case, the bike model. The bike model defines what information every bike must have: a name, a description, a technical documentation, and the subparts of the bike. Every item using the template bike will have the same structure. The model is like the bike's blueprint. It is a template. It defines the information needed to describe every bike. Now let's return to our City Bike. Here you can see that it follows exactly the bike's model structure. The City Bike has a name, a description, a technical documentation, and a list of subparts, just like defined in the model. To summarize, the model is like the bike's blueprint. It defines the type of information required to describe a bike in general. It doesn't care about colors or materials, just the structure. The item is the actual bike that exists. For instance, the City Bike has a specific description, a specific technical documentation, and a list of parts. And if you create another bike, say a racing bike, that's just another item. It follows the same model, the same templates, but with different values. This is the power of Koddex. Every item follows its model, so you always know what information to expect and how it connects to everything else. Now let's create a new item together. Say you want to sell a new bike, a racing bike. With just a few clicks, you can add it, fill in its parts, and it's automatically structured by the bike model. Simple, consistent, and reliable. To do that, let's click on the plus button here, add a new item. Let's browse the model list and look for the bike model. Here, we fill in the name of the bike, the description, the technical documentation, and the subparts. And we can simply create this item by clicking Validate. Now the item is created. And you can see that it follows exactly the same structure as in the model and as in the City Bike: a name, a description, a technical documentation, and a list of parts. Before we wrap up, let's look at the top bar. It shows you the path from the root of the organization down to the current item, racing bike. Like breadcrumbs, so you always know where you are. And finally, the search bar lets you quickly find any information across your organization. Say, you want to look for your city bike, simply type city bike and click on city bike. That's it. That's the Koddex interface, structured, intuitive, and always reliable. Now it's your turn. Start exploring and see how easy it is to find and manage your company's information in Koddex.